forget everything you know about electric cars. This isn't just an EV, it's the Rolls-Royce Black Bass Spectre, where effortless luxury meets extraordinary performance. Exterior design. Niched in Arctic white, the Black Bass Spectre immediately commands attention. Its crisp white bodywork contrasts beautifully with the signature black bass detailing, creating an appearance that is both elegant and purposeful. The iconic spirit of ecstasy, the illuminated Pantheon grille, the window surrounds, and the door handle all feature a sophisticated dark finish. Even the famous double R base adopts a darker identity, reinforcing the black bass character. From every angle, the Spectre displays remarkable proportions. Its sweeping fastback roofline flows effortlessly into the rear, while the impressive 23-inch force well perfectly complements its commanding stance. Rather than relying on aggressive styling, Rolls-Royce has sculpted every surfaces with confidence, even when stationary. The Spectre appears to be in motion. That sense of effortless elegance is unmistakably Rolls-Royce. Interior and craftsmanship. Open the signature coach doors, and you are welcomed into an environment unlike any other. The cabin is beautifully handcrafted, using the finest materials available. Soft Arctic white leather combines perfectly with exclusive black bass finishes, creating an atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. Across the dashboard sits the illuminated fascia, featuring thousands of individually illuminated stars. Above, the famous starlight headliner recreates the beauty of a clear night sky, using hundreds of fiber optics light. Every switch, every surface, and every material has been crafted with extraordinary attention to detail. Nothing feels mass-produced. Everything reflects the remarkable handcrafted craftsmanship for which Rolls-Royce is renowned. Despite embracing advanced electric technology, traditional luxury remains at the heart of the experience. Technology. The Black Bass Spectre introduced the latest generation of the Spirit operating system. Drivers benefit from connected navigation, remote charging, live vehicle information, and smartphone integration. Yet technology never overwhelms the cabin. Instead, it quietly supports the driving experience while allowing craftsmanship to remain the center of attention. As with every Rolls-Royce, bespoke personalization is virtually limitless. Clients can choose from thousands of print finishes, bespoke interior materials, handcrafted veneers, and personalized coastline. No two Spectre ever need to be the same. Performance. Beneath its elegant exterior lines the most powerful Rolls-Royce ever produced. Twin electric motors deliver an extraordinary 659 HP, providing effortless acceleration with complete refinement. Active infinity mode and throttle response become noticeably sharper. Select spirited mode and torque temporarily increases to an astonishing 1075 Nm. The result is remarkable: 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.1 seconds. Impressive figure for a luxury Grand Tour weighing close to 3 tons. Yet outright performance is only part of the story. The advanced planar suspension system continuously adapts to changing road conditions, delivering the legendary magic carpet ride. Whether traveling through city streets or cruising across the countryside, the Spectre remains exceptionally smooth, remarkably quiet, and effortlessly composed. Power is delivered without drama, luxury without compromise. Verdict. The Black Bass Spectre is a far more than Rolls-Royce's first high-performance electric coupe. It represents a bold new direction for one of Britain's more prestigious motor manufacturers. It proves that electrification can enhance rather than diminish the Rolls-Royce experience. Silence, powerful, elegance, handcrafted. Every journey becomes an occasion. Every detail reflects the pursuit of absolute perfection. I'm Miras and watching Axelthor Media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.